In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a rules channel for a Discord server. First, launch your Discord app, then navigate to any of the server. Click on your server name, go to settings. Once you're over here, navigate to the option enable community, click on that. Click get started, agree to the terms and conditions and press next. If you don't already have a rules channel, you can create one now, and the same goes for your community updates channel. You can either let Discord create these automatically or select an existing channel from your list, then press next and finish the setup by agreeing and understanding the instructions. After you do that, you can navigate to the section of access. Then scroll to the bottom where you will see server rules. Turn this on and you can now enter all the rules for your server, such as no spam or self-protection. You can add as many rules as you want. After adding your rules, click Save Changes at the bottom. You can also decide how people can join your server, either invite only, requiring a direct link, apply to join, which makes users read the rules before joining, or make sure your server is discoverable to public if you meet Discord's minimum requirements. Once this is set, your rules channel will appear in the left-hand column and all your rules will be listed for everyone to see. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.